When an interior door handle breaks or wears out, it affects convenience every single day. These automotive interior door handles are designed as a dependable replacement solution, helping restore smooth operation and a clean, factory-style look inside your vehicle. Built for specific vehicle applications, this product is engineered to fit correctly and function as intended when matched to the proper model, making it a practical choice for repairs or interior refresh projects. Ease of use is one of the strongest advantages of this interior door handle set. The design allows for straightforward installation, making it suitable for both professional technicians and vehicle owners who prefer to handle basic repairs themselves. Once installed, the handle provides a solid feel and reliable operation, allowing doors to open and close smoothly without excessive effort. Durability is a key focus in the construction of this product. Manufactured from quality materials, these interior door handles are built to withstand repeated daily use, temperature changes, and regular wear. This helps ensure long service life and consistent performance, especially important for vehicles that see frequent driving or work duty. The finish blends well with most factory interiors, maintaining a clean and functional appearance. Proper fitment is essential, and this item is designed to fit specific vehicles, so checking compatibility before purchasing is highly recommended. With compact packaging and good overall build quality, this product offers a reliable replacement option when your original handle is damaged or worn. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to restore interior door function, check the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more automotive parts, repair solutions, and practical vehicle upgrades.